Okay, so first is let's dive the killer features of this camcorder. So first is the incredible lens. It has a built-in ultra-wide and zoom lens equivalent of 600 mm to 28 mm. So imagine how wide the lens would that be in this kind of setup. So this makes a powerful camcorder compared to the other mirrorless setup where you don't have the capability of that lens from wide to super zoom. Like this has a super zoom lens. Although the super zoom at the end is more prone to chromatic aberration, in which somehow it is still usable, but it depends on what kind of scenario are you into. But for this setup, yes, it has an incredible lens. Aside from the lens, it has a built-in ND filter. So from super bright scene to the dark. So it has a flexible ND4, ND16, and ND64. So comparing to that with a DSLR or a mirrorless setup, so you need to screw for the mirrorless setup. Well, this one, it is just a flip of a switch. Then you activate the built-in ND filter. And aside from that, the third is the battery. Comparing this battery, it's a 4 hours battery compared to a DSLR or a mirrorless, which consumes battery less than an hour or maybe an hour or more. But this one, this has a feature which can continuously record up to 4 hours with this fat battery. And also this one has a indicator. So this is one of the main feature that the camcorder will be able to do. Aside from that, when it comes to sounds, it has a full XLR input. So this can be used as a podcast mic. You just input your XLR output from your sound card, then feed it to the camera itself. Then boom, you have a podcast setup, a simple podcast. Even you can directly use this as a podcast setup. So that's how these camcorders have the edge compared to the mirrorless setup. And if you have something is this camera can record unlimited video compared to your mirrorless, which has a limit. And also the video quality is good enough, 4K. So let me know if I forget something, that is features that I haven't mentioned on my video. So let me know, the community out there who's using still this 2025 a camcorder, so that we can create a community and share your settings or techniques which can maximize and improve our talent. Thank you guys and see you around.